Hello, I'm Michael Gfroerer, piano teacher, music theory teacher, music creation teacher, composer, and pianist. In this video, I'll be discussing melody. We're going to be seeing how melody works together with harmony to create music. In some cases, harmony is the very same thing as melody. We're going to be looking at how broken chords can become a melody. I want to point out this piano keyboard at the bottom of the screen. This will show you which keys are the pitch which will be played. When I play the music, you'll see a blue bar, and you'll also see the key which corresponds to that pitch. You'll notice that we have C1, this is the lowest C on the piano keyboard to the left. Great sound. C2, C3, C4 is middle C. I'm just going to slide it over. C5, C6, C7, and C8. Just a quick review. C, D, E, F, G. Going up, G, F, E, D, C. Going down. C, skip D to E, skip F to G is the C chord. So the C chord, C, E, G, up and down. So in music theory, C is called the root, E is called the third, and G is called the fifth. So I'm going to be showing you how the broken C major chord, G, E, C, can become a melody. With O Canada, E, G, C. All right, so I'm just going to click and play. I have this hooked up to my speakers, and here we go. Okay, so we see how the Star-Spangled Banner begins with a broken C chord, G, E, C, with this dotted rhythm. Continues up, E, G, C, and then up to the E. So all of these notes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, are C major chord tones. I want to point out the metronome marking. I need to put this metronome marking, quarter equals 96 quarter notes per minute, and then the computer will play back the music at that speed. O Canada, I chose 100 quarter notes per minute. It's going to scroll up, and you'll see the last example, Somewhere Over the Rainbow, 72 quarter notes per minute. So we're going to play O Canada, starting with E, the third, G, the fifth, C, the root of the C major chord. Here we go. Okay, so those are two pretty clear examples of how you can use a broken chord to create a melody. Just remember what instrument you're writing the melody for. Some singers would say that the Star-Spangled Banner is not in their range. This is a 10th. Root, third, fifth, octave, third above. The octave is a 10th. So from C to the E is a 10th. Not easy for some singers. The other thing I wanted to point out is that we will see with leaps G down to C is called a leap, generally something above a third. And somewhere over the rainbow, leaping an octave is 8. So I say, think of having a party. You invite C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. I'm going to do that again. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. That's 8 keys, 8 guests. Get food for 8 people. All right. So after we have a leap, what tends to happen is we step back into the leap. So we leap down a fifth, step back into the leap by stepping up. So we call that a quit the leap by step. Somewhere over the rainbow, we leap up an octave, we step back into the leap by step. Here we go. Okay, so you might have noticed the second leap of somewhere over the rainbow. C up to A is a sixth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we acquit the leap by step by stepping back into the leap. So, 2 things about melody. How melody relates to harmony. How we can use harmony to create a melody. And how we create a melody with steps. C, D, E, F, G, A. Steps. Here, G, A, B, C. Steps. Not so much at all in the Star-Spangled Banner. And how we acquit leaps by step. And so there's other characteristics of melody. One of the most important things is remember for whom you're writing the melody, for which instrument you're writing the melody. And the most important thing about songs is the words. So that's a different thing. We could discuss that another time. One of the most important things about words is the rhythm. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.